It is news that's been made by Mayawati, the BSP chief. In fact, she has openly spoken about supporting the BJP in the upcoming elections. She is supporting the BJP in a future election, claiming that her party's MLAs will do this if they have to ensure the defeat of the Samajwadi Party in the upcoming elections to UP's Legislative Council. Mayawati's comments have already drawn sharp reactions from both the Congress, that has called her BJP's B team in the past, and the SP. The immediate provocation for Mayawati's comments are the upcoming Rajya Sabha polls to 10 seats, where she accuses Akhilesh Yadav of political sabotage of the Samajwadi Party.
और अब इससे दुखी होकर ये पार्टी बीएसपी पर बीजेपी के साथ साठगांठ करके ये चुनाव जीतने का गलत व बेबुनियाद जबरदस्ती के आरोप लगा रही है, किंतु इनकी ये घिनौनी हरकत अब इस पार्टी को आगे चलकर कभी भी भारी पड़ सकती है।
Well, so first of all, this is a very important statement from Mayawati, given that this is on record. She said it to the news agency ANI, but this is perhaps the first time when she has openly said that she is willing to support the BJP or any other party, she says, if she has to ensure the defeat of a Samajwadi Party candidate in a future election. Now, it's also important to understand the context of why she is saying this. The immediate context and the provocation are the upcoming Rajya Sabha polls in Uttar Pradesh. 10 seats for the Rajya Sabha will be seeing elections in the next some time. Now, the BJP has put up 8 candidates. The Samajwadi Party has put up 1 and is trying to put up another one. The Bahujan Samaj Party has put up 1 candidate for the elections, despite not having the numbers to see that candidate through. Now, what seems to have happened after that is that at least 4 BSP MLAs, Mayawati's MLAs, who proposed the name of this candidate, are now saying that their signatures were forged and that they did not want to become the proposers. There are reports that these 4 MLAs and at least 2 more MLAs have gone and met with the Samajwadi Party chief, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, and that they are trying to engineer, the Samajwadi Party is trying to engineer some kind of defection within the BSP. All of this, of course, is not on record. The MLAs, of course, have also not said on record that they met with the Samajwadi Party chief. But Mayawati blames Akhilesh Yadav for trying to do this just ahead of the Rajya Sabha polls. And it is no secret that after their alliance that was formed briefly for that Lok Sabha election in 2019 broke up, there has been no love lost between Mayawati and Akhilesh Yadav. Mayawati has been very vociferous. In her latest soundbite to ANI, she said that it was a total mistake to ally with the Samajwadi Party and that there were many preconditions set in that alliance that she should not have agreed to. But very significant that she is also saying that in future she may be willing to support even the BJP, something that her opponents have been saying in UP, particularly a very vocal Congress party that has been calling her the B team of the BJP. How she reacts to all of that, I think we'll have to wait and see.
Thank you, Alok, for joining us. We also have Sanket with us. Sanket, Mayawati's big announcement pledging her support to BJP now and also in the future.
That's right, Divya. And again, Alok gave you an immediate perspective where there is, Rajya Sabha elections due in Uttar Pradesh and also the UP MLC elections, which are very crucial in a huge state like Uttar Pradesh. But see, there are larger national implications of what Mayawati has said. Remember, this is the first time an official comment has come from Mayawati in favor of the BJP since the 2003 breakup. So you can imagine how long a time it has taken. Since then, Mayawati has always supported all governments that have been anti-BJP, saying that we want to keep communal forces at bay. And that's why we are going to align with all those people who are anti-BJP. This is a shift in position as far as Mayawati is concerned. Larger implications? Well, as far as the Congress is concerned, they say, look, we had always been saying that the BSP is nothing but the B team of the BJP. Today is an official reiteration of the same. In what context Mayawati has said this? Well, she says that the manner in which the Samajwadi Party has been conducting itself is not desirable. In fact, they've hurt the prospects of the BSP. Remember, they were in a tie-up in 2019. The very famous Bua Bhatija alliance in Uttar Pradesh took place. That did not work out quite well. But to a point where old animosity has now been brought back by Mayawati, could this be a result of her staring at some form of political extinction. Do remember that her political fortunes have been dwindling in her home state of Uttar Pradesh in 2017 with a massive performance by the BJP, and also in 2019 where they did not get the desirable number of seats that they wanted. So is this an effort to stay politically relevant? We'll know soon.